Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Oh Allah, increase us in knowledge. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope you all will be enjoying good health. This is our page 2. Today is Wednesday, 22nd July, and the weather is a bit hot. This is our lecture number 3, and it is about idioms. Okay? So let's see what are the idioms. An idiom is a phrase or an expression that has a different meaning from the literal meaning. For example, let the cat out of the bag. Here you see, it feels that some cat has to come out of the bag, but actually it means to tell the secret. Okay. Now let's take some more examples. Straight from the horse's mouth, it means directly from the person involved. Build castle in the air means daydreaming. Last straw means the final problem in series of problems. Break a leg, it means good luck. All walks of life means in all aspects of life. Piece of cake means a job or task that is very easy. Butter someone up means to praise or flatter someone. जब आप बहुत खुश होते हो और किसी को मक्खन लगाने की कोशिश करते हो, it's like that. It cost an arm and a leg. It means very expensive. Okay, here comes the activities now. Write the meaning of each idiom below. Okay. I'm all ears. It means you have my full attention. The next one is get cold feet. So what comes in your mind with this idiom, get cold feet? Of course, it means you are a bit nervous or be nervous. Down to wire mean at the last minute. In hot water. Yes, what comes in your mind in hot water? When you are in hot water means that you are in trouble. Second to none mean nothing is like that, the best. Busy as a bee. It means very active or working hard. Fine. Come to question number 2. Here are some idioms and their meanings. What you have to do, that you have to match the idiom with its proper meaning. This activity you have to do by yourself. First one I'll tell you, okay. Once in a blue moon. It means happens very rarely. The next one is every cloud has a silver lining. The next is jump out of skin. Next, steals someone's thunder. And the next is cry over spilt milk. Okay, students, you have to do it by yourself now. And what you have to do, that do all this work on your grammar copy and submit your copy till 24th July, Friday. Have a nice day. Allah Hafiz.